Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I will paint a New York City skyline sunset with watercolor. I'm first wetting my whole paper with a large flat brush. I'm starting with the lightest part of my sky. This is some Naples yellow. I actually listed all the colors and other materials that I'm using in this painting in the description box below if you want to check them out. Here I'm adding some permanent rose to my Naples yellow to create an orange sunset color closer to the buildings. Some permanent rose for the pink clouds. The way I paint the sky here is actually a bit random. I'm not using a reference picture, but I have some rough idea about how the sky will look like when I finish the painting. But other than that, I have a looser approach while painting watercolor skies. I think in this way it looks better and it is more enjoyable to paint. I'm using some cobalt blue for the upper part of the sky. Then I'm adding some Alizarin crimson to my blue to create a purple for the darker clouds. Another trick while painting watercolor skies is to tilt your paper to different directions like I'm doing here. In this way you can achieve movement in your skies. I find the Naples yellow a bit pale, so I decided to introduce a stronger yellow here. This is some Hansa yellow medium. I'm also adding a stronger color to the lower part of my painting with a mixture of Hansa yellow medium and Alizarin crimson. More permanent rose here. And some more purple. I will let the first layer completely dry before starting the second layer. After it dries, I'm wetting my whole paper again. Here, I'm just taking some excess water. I want to create a more dramatic effect in the upper part of my painting, so I'm using a very dark, strong mixture of cobalt blue, alizarin crimson and Payne's grey. Let's give some more movement to these clouds as well. And don't forget to clean the sides. I'm adding some more Payne's Gray to my mixture for the cloud shadows. Don't forget that the watercolor always dries much lighter, so you can be as generous as you want while using your darker colors, depending on what kind of a result you would like to achieve in the end. Here I would like to create a very calm sunset look, but I also want to give this feeling of an approaching storm. That's why I'm using a very dark mixture. Here I'm painting the clouds closer to the horizon level, and as you can see here, they are much lighter and more flat. Now I will let this completely dry again one more time. We can start to paint our buildings. Here I switched to a long round brush which has a longer and thinner tip. I'm actually being careful here, but not obsessing about doing everything right. And the color I'm using is Payne's Gray. Even though I'm using only one color here, I try to change the consistencies by adding some more water here and there. Some final details. Now our New York City skyline is done, and I took off the masking tape and I'm signing the painting. Here is a closer look to our finished painting. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to check out the description box for the whole list of the materials. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!